Hey guys, good morning. We're outside in the gazebo getting ready to do a mail time for you guys. It's been a long time since we've done a mail time. In fact, I think maybe like it was close to when Benjamin was born. We did one, and then I haven't done one since. We've just been kind of opening things as they come. So we had this little influx of boxes come this week, so we thought it would be a great time to just do a little mail time for you. So it's also 45 degrees out this morning, so it's very fresh. My mouth is starting to already feel a little bit numb, but it's kind of nice after a long summer. So the first thing I actually wanted to show you was this. So Proven Winners sent out one of their new coffee mugs. These are Yeti brand, which to my understanding, that's a really good brand. I don't own anything Yeti, so this is exciting. So if you guys are interested in a Proven Winners Yeti mug, you can buy these on their website. So it was really nice of them to send that out. Thank you, Proven Winners. So I'm gonna enjoy my coffee through this process. First thing right here is an envelope from Victoria, BC, Canada, which is where Erin and I honeymooned. We went to Victoria and went to Bouchard Gardens, and we have lots of fun memories from there. Funny stories. Oh, and it is from Bouchard Gardens. Or it's not. It is a calendar of Bouchard Gardens. I don't know. It's from Michelle. Very, very sweet. Thank you so much, Michelle. So this is from her hometown, and that's so neat that this is where we honeymooned. I'm really excited to hang this on my wall. Pocket Shot, LLC. Probably not the best choice of cutter. Ugh. Should have probably brought out a box knife. We've got wrapping material. So what is this? It looks like it's a faux rock. So we use these to cover things in our area like irrigation boxes. So ours, the ones that we use are typically a little bit bigger, or irrigation accesses. This one looks like it was specifically made to cover up drainage pipes. So probably for areas that receive a lot more rainfall than we do. It's got like a specific cutout right here for the end of a drainage pipe, which you can see on a little tag right here. So we obviously don't use those here because we don't receive very much rain at all. So if any of you guys could use this, comment down below. We would be happy to connect with you and pack this up and send it to you so that you could use this out in your landscape. And thank you so much, pipedecorations.com, for sending it out. I'm gonna be like organized about this today, so I don't like have a huge mess of stuff after I'm done. See, it's already packed up. It's ready to go. Oh, yay. This is something that we can use here. This is a long-range wireless driveway alarm. We need one. We've actually had, when we had everything trenched up last year, we had electricity taken out to our entryway so we could eventually put in a gate, which was not in the budget this year and probably not in the budget next year, but one day we would like to have a gate up there because we have quite a number of people that like to drive through our driveway, and it is kind of awkward. We are the like the dead end down here, and so a lot of people come down and then like need to turn around and stuff. But it would be really nice to be able to know when people enter the property, because inside the house it's really hard to hear. So let's see, this is the sensor, up to a 1/4 mile range. So this detects movement of people or vehicles. So it's a trip sensor. So anything that walks in front of it or moves in front of it, it'll set the alarm off, which you can have up to a 1/4 mile range, which it does say that if you have like trees or hills, walls, parked vehicles, that diminishes the range a little bit. But if anything moves in front of it, it'll set the alarm off, which you can have with you or in your house, wherever you want, which I think you could potentially use something like this out in your vegetable garden area or anywhere out in your garden where you think something's coming in and eating your stuff. If you kind of know where they're coming in from, you could have this set up and then you could catch them in the act maybe. So yeah, I think that this has more than one use to it. And you know what, we'll probably, like, if you guys are interested, we can update you, because I think we will set this up in our driveway, so we can update you guys and let you know how it works if you're interested. So let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you so much, Guardline, for sending this out. This is from Joy in Georgia. Oh, look, a face like this only comes along in a millennium. It's a little picture holder that I can put Benjamin's little face in. How sweet. You guys were and are the sweetest people ever. I mean, the amount of support and like outpouring of just encouragement and notes and gifts and things for Benjamin when he was born, I mean, it's just absolutely insane. I never expected that. And I actually think back on all of the things that he received, and I wish I would have had the time to write thank you, like personal thank yous to everyone. It still haunts me. We tried to open everything in mail time so that I could say a proper thank you to all of you, and I know some of them didn't make it into the video. We had to cut it out for some odd reason. So just know how much we appreciate it. It does not go unnoticed whatsoever. We cherish every little thing that you guys send out. It's just so amazing. So this looks really fun. Oh my word. Baby boy. And does this, oh my goodness, you guys, the pages are cut so it's a bear. Do you see that? So there's like, oh my word, like I can't even imagine how much time this took. So each page is folded in a specific way so that when you look at it like this, you have the little teddy bear in the middle. How sweet. Joy, this is amazing. I can't wait to put this on his bookshelf. Oh my goodness, you guys, look. And it's still getting like into the 80s during the day, so he can definitely wear this and get some use out of it. Super cute. Thank you so much, Joy. Also, all of the stuff that we've received for Benjamin, and a lot of the stuff that like my parents or Aaron's parents or we've bought for him. We have another couple that we were friends with that had a baby boy like I think 2 or 3 months after Benjamin was born. So we hand down pretty much everything to them so that they can use it for little Samuel, and then I'm sure that they pass it down so that it can be used. So this stuff is just getting used and used and used and used, which is the best. I did save a couple of Benjamin's, like the outfit we brought him home from the hospital in, and like a couple of the things that I bought him very first when we found out that we were gonna have him. I saved those little special things, but I try not to save too much. It would be really easy to save it all, but I want it to be used. Oh, this one is from Cheryl. It's a linen envelope with pressed flowers. Aaron, Laura, and Benjamin, just because. Much love, Cheryl, with some dried lavender in there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, they're little snow boots. Those are so cute. They're 6 to 12 month size, so it's perfect for Benjamin. And he, yeah, I was just actually thinking, I was telling Aaron that I needed to go find him some new shoes for wintertime, because you know we've got sandals and stuff like that, but I think I only have one pair of shoes that are completely enclosed, like closed-toed shoes. So the timing is wonderful, and these are so cute. Thank you so much. I love the little box too, like keep them nice and safe, tidy, out of dust. Let's do this long one. And this one is from Quick Edge, which sounds familiar. Like I should know what that is. Russell, what are you doing? Oh, he's like, his tail is flipping. Oh, we got a tool. Oh my goodness. So this company, Quick Edge, launched this spring. Let's see. Yeah, launched in April. So this is a brand new tool. And then also the guy looks like who created the tool also wrote a book, and he included that in there. So that's really exciting. It's called Search for Gigania. Sorry if I said that wrong. That looks interesting. Whoa. All right, guys, so this is apparently a grass edging tool. I'm not really sure exactly how it works. I think this might be to cut roots of plants, but I'm gonna get on their website and see what information I can find real quick. Let's watch a video. Oh, you drag it. Okay, you don't like step on it, because that wouldn't make sense. That's what I couldn't figure out, because usually I'm so used to like shovel type where you step on it and then pry. You actually stick this in to your soil like this, like kind of in, and then you just drag it along your edge, and it cuts the roots of grass, and then it's got like a sharp edge right here to cut like, you know, the direction that you're going. And then this right here kind of like pushes the soil back into the flower bed that you're kind of cultivating up. So yeah, this will be interesting to try out. Thank you so much for sending this out. Okay, last box, and this one I know has plants in it, and I have to say that Aaron carried it out here and didn't keep it this side up. He set it down on accident on its side. So I'm hoping the plants are okay in here. We'll see what happened. These are from Perico Plant Company out of Pennsylvania. Oh my gosh, never again with these scissors. So it looks like each plant is tied up in brown paper with a little bit of jute twine down here to keep it on. Oh, there's the peperomia. And it's also wrapped in this little mesh, which that's probably just to keep soil in, which not very much fell out. Like, look. Like, that's really clean. So they put this little, like, sisal or whatever that's called on the top, and that probably helps keep soil in as well. It's a nice looking plant. A little more soil out on this one. Oh, that's cool. Look at that plant. This is a Sansevieria, I believe. There's no ID on these plants, but it looks like a, am I wrong? Is that a Sansevieria? I know there are a lot of different varieties of them. That is super cool though. I mean, it looks like a big old hand. No damage to the leaves on either of these plants so far. Oh yeah, so this peperomia marble, starfish snake. So this is a starfish snake plant right here, which definitely, that's a great name. And then there's one more. This is a new ZZ plant right here. A little bit of soil out on this one too. Not bad. That's really quite impressive when it has to travel all the way from Pennsylvania in a box and then get tipped on its side at least one time that I know of. Poor Erin. Everything survived. So that's a nice looking healthy ZZ plant. In fact, we just did a video on low light houseplants, and Sansevieria and ZZ plant were two of my picks in that video. Now the peperomia, I don't have a lot of experience with this in a low light situation, but I usually have great luck with them in like a medium light situation. So like if you know more about this type of plant and the care of it, let me know in the comment section. But these are all really great looking plants, don't you think? So thank you so much, Perico Plant Co, for sending those out. And you guys, that's it for today's mail time. I just wanted to like get out here and just do a little bit of box opening because it's been so long. And just to let you guys know that we appreciate everything you send out. Everything gets used and or displayed somewhere. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.